Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Looky, looky, we have boxes. So we're going to do a box opening video. This one here, I can't see the smile. Oh, no you can. That's an Amazon box. The rest are Michael's. It's all craft supplies, I believe, so let's get into it and see what we've got. Okay, so our first box is Michael's. As usual, I have no recollection of what I ordered because that's what I do. That's a superpower. I order things and then woohoo, that was close. I completely forget what I've ordered, so it's like Christmas when it shows up. Looks like bottles. Speaking of Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint that doesn't make good skins and sticks to everything even when it's dry. Looks like I got some more. This is a color I have been trying to get since I first saw these paints online. And they finally had a bottle available for shipment, so I grabbed it. And then we have another bottle of violet, which I already have, but I love it and it's almost gone, so we got another one. This is also Michael's. Okay, see now this is an interesting situation. Clearly these shipments from Michael's come from all over the country. They come in separate boxes, separate packages, and sometimes they come with a box this size but only one product inside. So here we have an example of that. I got another bottle of phthalo blue, which I also love and I'm almost out of. So that was that box. We'll take a look at our Amazon box. Professional makeup wedges. Nope, you can't see that part. Oh my gosh. Professional makeup wedges. And we have these for cleaning off the edges of tumblers. I'm sure I'll be using that soon. And oh yeah, this isn't very ecological of me. And I apologize. They are paper. They are not plastic. They are paper, so that's a plus. I'm not using plastic. But I'm also not using something reusable. I'm using these, which are disposable. And the reason I'm using them is because when I put epoxy in one of these plastic 3-ounce cups, I can't really make a good pour spout. It starts to break. The cup starts to break. Sometimes it breaks in the wrong place and then it goes everywhere. So by using a paper cup, I can smash the top of the cup and give myself a perfect pour spout to get the epoxy in just the exact places I want it in the geode mold or something like that. So that's what these are for. And then we have a packet of clear water slide decal transfer paper. You use this. This is specifically for inkjet. I have a color inkjet printer. You use this in an inkjet printer. You seal it with clear spray varnish and plastic dip. Here, I'll show you. Hang on. Okay, so print the water slide on the paper. I spray a few layers of clear gloss enamel. You can use matte also. Letting it dry in between each application, and then you spray a couple layers of Plasti Dip glossifier spray. And this makes the water slide stretchy so that it doesn't just tear apart the first time you try and manipulate it on your tumbler. It actually becomes stretchy, more like a fabric. And you can manipulate it without ripping it. So I have yet to try all of this, but now that I have the paper, I can do that. So we'll do that for one of our projects. And one of the things I'm really excited about is I got this packet of mandala stencils. And we're going to see. This is an idea I have for doing paint pours. If I can just get it open, then I can show you what I'm talking about. I still have to create a holder for these things, but this packet comes with 36 plastic stencils. And what I'm thinking is if I can create a holder using, I don't know, popsicle sticks or something, and then set this just over a canvas and then pour paints through it, we will get some great designs. So this is kind of like pouring through a basket or a colander but every single one of these is a different design. Some of them probably won't work. Some that have super, super small openings will be like just mixing all the paints together as they go through. But some of these that have wider openings could produce some just gorgeous results. I just need to build myself a little holder to hold the to hold it right above a canvas, and then we will pour through it and we will see what we get. Maybe we'll do that project next because I want to do a quick pour. But like I said, I still have to build the holder first. So that was the Amazon box. Now we are down to the great big Michaels remaining box. I suspect it's as big as it is because it has canvases in it. Lots of bubble wrap. Woo! Let me also say here, because I don't say it enough, that if you want to see me continue doing stuff, and if you want to help support the channel without any money from you, if you share these videos of mine and you like each video and subscribe to my channel and encourage all your friends and co-artists and anybody else you think might be interested to do the same thing, then it helps me out and it doesn't cost you a penny. So I would appreciate likes, subscribes, comments are also useful, and it lets me know what you're thinking about what I do so I know how to continue, and I would really, really appreciate the help. Okay, so in my last Michaels box we have crushed glass. This is gold crushed glass. And then we also have a bag of blue crushed glass. These are for geodes. So I can make some more geode coasters or paintings. And then, as I suspected, I have some canvases. This is a packet of 10 by 10. And this is a packet of, running out of space. This is a packet of 8 by 10. So there we go. Paint and glass and canvases and mandala stencils and water slide decal paper and all sorts of fun stuff for projects that I'll show you. So stick around, we'll have a lot of fun.